Yeah. Стильно принесли, на столі можна.
Зараз вже він цей. Так. Help. Maybe дай цю пилку по металу довго. Kaleb,
Yes?
maybe you give this.
Треба перевернути.
Yeah. What better?
Okay.
What do you like? This or this?
Well, I'll try this one. This is the one we normally would use.
Okay.
And maybe that one's better.
What pressure must be in and out here?
It depends on how much fertilizer you want to put in.
Oh,
So I have a chart in the book there that shows what pressure you want in and out, depending on how much fertilizer you want to put into the water.
okay.
Yeah.
Special the table Excel.
Yeah. I'll show you in the book there after
Yeah.
I put this together here.
Okay. This pipe, how use this pipe?
That's to connect all these together.
Oh,
So there should have been a length of this as well smaller, but
okay. Maybe you this part
sure.
together.
And then you'll know how to do it when you have the little piece. Okay, so let's just see here. We'll start with this.
Be careful. Maybe wrench. Yeah. Need mix it or no? No? Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna drip everywhere. that's what happens when you're doing this. That's normal. Get as much as you can on there. Take this and go. Very messy.
Yeah, and must comfort this side to open and close.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's good there. We'll do the other side quick. So that's the primer. Inside of the fitting.
Yeah.
Glue. Inside of the fitting.
Yeah.
Primer outside of the other fitting. Glue on the outside of the other fitting.
It's normal, like faster. Yeah.
What?
You very faster.
Yeah. That's totally fine. You just need to get a lot on there. That's the main thing.
how long must stay and glue
Before you
catch?
put water in it? Or before you
How long must glue?
set for?
Yeah.
Before water, I believe you want to leave it for about an hour before you put water through it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 hour is enough. Yeah. Це я скручував, треба його викрутити. Не можеш викрутити? Ні, воно не було.